Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're now here at the studio unit of 9 Central Park. If you guys don't know what 9 Central Park is and where 9 Central Park is located, so 9 Central Park is located in North Mingoba City, also known as the future BGC of the North, and 9 Central Park is the first ever residential condominium in that area. So now I'll be touring you to our studio unit and what it looks like. So let's go. So here on this side, upon entering, this is your kitchen area. So what's included in the kitchen area is the overhead and under-counter cabinets, then granite countertop. So yung i-add nyo na lang dito is yung mga refrigerator, oven, or kung ano man yung mga appliances na pwede nyo ma-add here sa kitchen area. Here naman is your dining area na you can put a mini table on this side, and harap lang din ito or on this side is yung kitchen area. So, yeah. Moving forward naman here, this is your living area and na may access going to the balcony. This is what it looks like. Here naman, may provision siya for window type aircon. You can put a sofa here and a TV here, then everything is good to go. So moving forward, this is our bedroom area. So what's included in the bedroom area is the modular closet. This is what it looks like. And also this bay window is already included upon turnover to your unit for an extra space or for more natural lighting. So this is your toilet and bath area. So we have here the handheld shower, rain shower, faucet, ready for hot and cold, then partial glass enclosure, already included to your unit, then the toilet, sink, and here naman is your provision for washer and dryer. So let's go there. I want to tell you guys why 9 Central Park is very good for investment or even personal use because it's very near to Philippine Arena. So the concert goers, the producers, the organizers can be our target market also. We all know naman dyan ginaganap sa Philippine Arena yung mga big concerts dito sa Philippines. And to the new Manila International Airport, so the frequent flyers, the cabin crew, the pilots, can be our target market in those areas. Actually, New Manila International Airport is much more bigger compared to NAIA. Really, this is your chance to invest in 9 Central Park while it's still at introductory price. For prices go up. Just like BGC then, again, yung mga nakakuha ng unit nila doon na super baba. But right now, look at the value of their property, super taas din ng nilaki. So, 9 Central Park will be the same. Total contract price starts at 9 million. So if you want to know more about this property, just let me know or message me. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye!